What are you waiting for? It's time to experience pure bliss and the only truly healthy libido enhancer on the market, Raw Nation's Hot Rocks. So what does it do? It intensifies sexual performance, makes men feel more confident, women feel more sexy, it intensifies your sex life. It's just so much fun. Life is better on Hot Rocks. Hot Rocks were designed to be a vitamin for your sex drive, so you really need to take 2 to 4 capsules every single day. It took us almost 3 years to perfect the synergistic combination of herbs that are contained within every single bottle of Hot Rocks. It's a superfood injected aphrodisiac. The benefits of Hot Rocks include increased lubrication in women, increased seminal fluid in men. It helps balance your cycle. It alleviates problems associated with PMS and menopause. It increases circulation and blood flow. It's filled with antioxidants. It helps with your mood. It regulates serotonin levels in the brain. It's an overall vitality pill. It just makes you feel amazing. Now keep in mind, this is the only product on the market that's for men and women both. There's nothing bad in it. It's healthy for you. It's all organic. The herbs are sustainably harvested. They're drum dried over low temperatures, so they're raw. They're healthy for you because there's no additives, no chemicals, fillers, binders, harsh stimulants. You're not going to get the side effects like a headache. And we have superfoods in our product as well. And what superfoods are is any food or herb that has a multitude of health benefits. Superfoods like chocolate and cayenne. And we have these foods in our product without all the added dairy and sugar. So it's only the purest health benefits extracted from these plants and foods. And that's why we call ourselves Superfood Injected Aphrodisiac. And it's made right here in the USA in an FDA-certified facility. We're QAI certified, organic, which means we are 100% organic, meaning we're different than anything else on the shelf because we don't have any pesticides in our product or any harmful chemicals, which actually, when taken over a long period of time, can decrease your libido. Well, because it's a vitamin for your sex drive, it helps support fertility and overall vitality. Now, if you already have a strong sex drive, that's great. But what Hot Rocks does is it's going to help you maintain that sex drive and keep it from slipping away, which is a problem that's far too common nowadays. Take Hot Rocks every single day so that you can maintain that sex drive far into the future. So what are you doing? Stop watching me. Go up to the register, buy it, be ready to change your life forever.